Well, whether you like it or not, our state's no-fault insurance laws are changing this year, and it's important to know how to be prepared when the changes go into effect. Joining us tonight to talk about it, Brian and Derek from Bohr Insurance Group. Thank you guys for both coming in. And Derek, I'm going to start with you. You guys are hosting workshops to make sure people are prepared for these changes.
Sure, absolutely. Michigan's auto insurance laws have been primarily unchanged for almost 50 years, so people have never had to make the decisions that they'll be forced to make starting this year with regard to their auto insurance. So it's our goal to make sure people know how to make the right choice for themselves and their families.
And you guys have already hosted a few of these workshops. So Brian, what are some of the questions you tend to get, or some of the points that you guys are really trying to hit home with people who come to the workshop?
Sure. There's the obvious choice of how much medical coverage someone wants to keep on their auto insurance policy. We've had a lot of questions about the side effect of what that choice results in. You have additional requirements from a liability standpoint in terms of how much of your potential lawsuit may be covered by your insurance policy. And then the medical coverage in an auto insurance policy under the new law is a little bit more restricted in terms of who it provides coverage to. So a lot of people have asked specific questions about driving their grandmother around, or their son who lives in Chicago coming back home and driving their vehicle. Those are really important questions that need to be addressed.
Okay. And in terms of trying to make sure people are as prepared as possible, how much homework should people also be doing on their own, Derek?
They should be doing a lot. Really important is to know whether their health insurance, if they have it, provides coverage for injuries from a car accident. That's important today, but it'll be even more important come July when these new changes go into effect. People on Medicare will also have some big changes to make as well. So it's important that they know what's covered by Medicare and the differences between that coverage and what would be provided by their auto insurance policy should they choose to have coverage under their auto insurance as well.
Okay. And how many more workshops are organized, and how can people get more information on that?
We have 5 more remaining. We're doing 1 a month, as well as some private events for clients and local businesses that bring us there to do one in their office. And you can register online at bohrinsurance.com/reform.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you guys. Thank you, twins, for joining us tonight. If people at home are wondering, we'll have more information as well at woodtv.com.